What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing pizza base sauce. Let's get right to it. So what we have here is 1 cup of tomato sauce, some crushed garlic, Origanum, salt and pepper to taste, and sweet chili. As you want a little bit of sweetness in the sauce, well, that's what we like. Obviously, olive oil. Right, let's mix them. Over here we've got 50 grams of tomato paste, which is a little bit strong side of it, and that's why you want it. You want the tomato taste. Basically, all you need to do is just add these components. Origanum, salt and pepper, sweet chili. Let's mix these first. I like to use a fork, it is much easier. Once you're happy that it's properly mixed, we start adding some oil. We use olive oil. So you add your olive oil to the consistency that you like. We like it to be quite runny. Then we add more olive oil. And this, guys, this is what we use. Look there. Yeah, that's what we use. Let's give it a taste. Perfect. Guys, if you like what we're doing here, like, share, subscribe, enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload new video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below as always. Tell us what you think about this beautiful sauce. See you next time. Cheers.